listen to my big rig. I'm watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
See if this thing's working. We got a couple of Landstar guys in the house today. Show you guys some windmill blades. These things usually travel in groups of 3. But today, I only see 2. There might be another guy coming in. But this guy's backing up here. That's a long rig to be backing up, is it not? Let's see if we can't. So steerable trailer. I'm not sure if she's got the remote. She might have the remote back here. And he just drives the truck. And pretty impressive, you know. Pretty impressive. I was going to walk. That's a long way. Let's go back up this way, because that is a long way to go. These guys might get on to me. I'm not messing with their equipment. I'm just watching the experts at work, you know. Landstar's got it going on. Are these agent-owned trucks, or?
Yeah.
They are, and agent owns them?
Well, you ever heard of XLG Transportation?
Yes.
That's who owns these trucks.
Okay. I figured since they were both matching.
Well, we got Noah come through.
I figured there'd be 3. There he is right there. I got here just in time to get that on film. That'd be awesome.
Now we can get out of here.
Now, a couple years ago, I seen Landstar post the trailers. Are those Landstar owned trailers or just, okay?
They got some, but.
Yeah. I was Landstar for 5 years, so I know a little bit about the, yeah. You
know Brian Smith?
Yeah.
That's who owns these trucks.
Okay, wow. How many's he got?
What, truck was?
Yeah.
Right. 30 or 40 now.
Yeah, wow.
Used to not be that big.
Yeah.
But Landstar maybe 15, 10, something like that.
Right.
See, this one coming in is the XLG truck.
Okay. Let's go watch this guy work here. This is the big boys right here. Come on. The big boys. Let's watch the big boys at work. Oh, what that white International back there thinks he's doing, you know? No respect, dude, no respect. I guess this guy stayed on that tail. Keep anybody from, I don't know. He didn't make it. Well, he's going to back up. That guy right there would tick me off. No patience. You guys getting bored with this? Could fast forward it. Turn the wheels the other way. So I think it did all that. Try to make a turn up there. Is the pilot car controlling the trailer wheels? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I noticed the lady back here on the ground a while ago was doing that one. Just video. Yeah. Make you famous. Give you your card. Alright. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Okay. Long ways off, but try to stay out of the way. Yeah. See if I can, yeah. What's that?
You should come ride the car with us.
Yeah. So how long are these?
215.
215 feet. Nose to tail.
This is the 56 meter. They got 63 meters out now.
Oh, really?
So this is actually one of the smaller ones.
Yeah. Well, he has to be talented to drive the car and the trailer too, right? Y'all got here just in time for the show just ended yesterday, so some of them cleared out. So he's a different company, same color W9. Professionals at work. So what is the cost of one blade?
$290.
290?
I think so.
Oh, that's the control, huh? Pretty simple. Yeah. You have your card while you're there? Alright, so anyway, we got them all parked. What you doing, buddy? Uh-oh. There's more than one in there. We about got bit. These things are long, are they not? Rigmaster fan bell squeaking. Gotta love it. Y'all better hurry up, you're gonna miss breakfast. How you doing? Pretty spiffy. Alright, let's wrap this up. See if we can get some of this uploaded and posted. We are way behind on videos. Hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of a show. Thanks for watching. Thought I'd give you something different today. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.
Watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Keep the wheels turning and the chicken lights burning. Come on. Oh, and don't forget your high-speed chicken feed there, Roger.